wanna be your side, eh? Hey, you. Girl, I
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you all how to add members to a Telegram group. Yes, that's what I'm going to be teaching you. This time I'm going to be teaching you how to add your own contacts, like a load of them to a Telegram group. This is not like you'll be adding them one by one. You just pack all of them at once and just add them to a group. That's what I'll be teaching you today. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button or like button. If you have any question, just comment. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. What's this? So all you have to do is go to your smartphone, go to your Play Store, go to your Apple Store and look for the app Bigram. You download it, you install it like a normal way, you install it to your phone. Then you click on Bigram and you register with your number. Like if you're already a Telegram member, you just register with the same number you used to register your Telegram. It's just as simple as that. If I use, like for instance, my WhatsApp number to register for my Telegram group, my Telegram, you also use that same WhatsApp number to register for your Bigram. You understand? So it's just like Bigram is like Telegram, but it's like in a more advanced way. I don't understand. So click on your Bigram. This is the next thing. This is the next thing you'll be seeing. So all you have to do is click. If you are not in Nigeria and these other countries that is here, you just click on it and you put in your number. Like if you already have a Telegram account, you just use the same number to register this one. If you don't have a Telegram account, you just run it straight. Understand? Just put in number. Ignore Sage Prosy, ignore login with both talking, then click on this arrow that is facing. Just click on the arrow there, and immediately you get a verification code. Usually many login. This is okay. I'm having a lot of group here because I'm involved in a lot of things. So if you're just registering, just be you. Understand? And then if you want to chat to people, just click here, click on contact and group on the norms, look for someone you want to chat with and chat with the person. But we are talking business here. So if you want to create a group here, the same way, click on contact and group, you see new group. And here you must tag a lot of people you want to add to the group. This is not the way you add members to the group, but this like you have to have a member. Then let's just save the name as hi, no, P. I don't know the meaning. And click good. I will allow you to kind of load. So this is a new group. So the next thing we're going to be doing is adding members to this group. Add members to this group here. I'll go to my dashboard, go to contact and groups. I'll click and hold a number. Then you look at the top column, you see like a good double good sign. You click on it. You click on the addition sign there. Now you are here, like this is like a lot of group. So you search for your group. So this is our group here. Then we tap on the group here and we add members to it, add contacts to it. Add 300 to here. Make sure you confirm in order not to add to another person's group. You will add, and instantly you start adding members to the group. You added this, you added this, you added this. So that's how you add members to a group. You add at a go. You add a lot of members to a group at a go. Now, having 3,000 members to my group, if the 3,000 members are not mutual friends, I won't be able to add 3,000 members to the group. So in such a way, I'll only be adding members that are mutual. The members that have like we saved their contacts, I have my contact, they have my contacts. So that's the only members that I can, you understand, add to a group freely. You have been asking me how I gain my contacts. I have two ways. Either you buy from a seller, or you gain it yourself. You create a group chat on WhatsApp, for WhatsApp, for yeah, WhatsApp gain, for those that have that needs a lot of WhatsApp status viewers. So they will love to, join and exchange contacts with you. So it's a lot of, that's where I gained a lot of content. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like, and comment on this section. So that's it for today, guys, and please be safe. Love you all. Bye.
Love. I know this is young love. Feel like a lie.